Human brain is most powerful system in all over the world. Human brain made up of billions of neurons or nerve cells. That cell communicate in trillions of connections, which is called synapses. Our brain is one of the most complex and fascinating organs in our body. So we need to keep our brain healthy and active. Today in this video I will talk about 5 fun facts about human brain power. So welcome to today's new episode. The storage capacity of your brain is considered as unlimited. Research suggests that the human brain consists of about 86 billion neurons. Each neuron makes connections with other neurons, which could add up to 1000 trillion connections. Over time, these neurons can combine and increasing storage capacity. However, in Alzheimer's disease, many neurons can be damaged and stop working, which affects memory and that can make you out of balance. 60% of the human brain is made with body fat. So human brain is the fattiest organ in the human body. But these fatty acids are key to your brain's performance, because these fats supply blood to neuron and boosting brain power. Our brain is not fully formed until the age of 25. Brain development starts from the back of the brain and progresses forward. But brain frontal lobes, which control planning and decision-making ability. So over the time and age, a man capable to make a decision properly. Information about the brain travels at speeds of up to 268 miles per hour. When a neuron is stimulated, it generates an electrical impulse that travels from cell to cell. On average, your spinal cord stops growing at age 4. Your spinal cord, which is made up of a bundle of nerve tissue and supporting cells, is responsible for sending message from your brain to the rest of your body. God bless you. Stay healthy, stay safe.